Hi there. This video is going to teach you how to upload a model to your personal library. Here on the left, click My Account and then click Upload. Here you can see something that I uploaded before. And here on the very bottom of this bar, click Upload. And then you're in your personal library. Click Upload Models. And then you will see some restrictions on the bar. Click any area. Here I'm going to upload an outdoor table. We need to wait seconds here. Here you can see that there are some parameters to fill in for uploading the model on the screen panel. First, you need to enter the name of your model. Second, categorize the model you upload. Third, select the face to which the model needs to be attached, defined here as location. Like here, if we are uploading a table or a chair, it needs to be attached to the floor, so we pick the floor. Then we click the Submit Model at the bottom, and the outdoor table will be successfully uploaded. You will see there in your personal library.